Hi, and welcome to SeadragonSearch. Today we're going to go over how to select and prepare Sea Dragon photos to submit to our website. So when selecting photos to share with us, it's important to remember that what we're looking for is a photo with a relatively clear view of the sea dragon, especially the face and the snout, since our computer vision model will look for patterns there. You don't need to do any fancy editing, but there are certain tips for what makes some photos more useful to us than others, and we'll talk about those things looking at a set of example photos. So we'll go over here, and I want to submit these photos. They're all of the same sea dragon, and I have multiple right side shots of this sea dragon, but I only need to submit one. So I'm going to evaluate which one would work best for our identification software. In this first photo, it's a little tricky to make out the markings on the face. This dragon is turned away from the camera and the water's a little murky, so I'll keep looking to see if I have something better. And this one looks much better for the face, with a nice clear view of the pattern on the snout. The body is a little overexposed and harder to make out the pattern there, but this is for sure a contender. This photo is okay too, but the sea dragon's face is turned away from us a bit again, and combined with the murkiness of the water, that does make it a little harder to see. So we actually have the best view of this sea dragon in this photo, where we can see the entire face, the snout, and the body from a nice side angle. And it's also ideal with the dragon out in the open, not obstructed by kelp or seagrass. The lighting is decent and the photo is not too blurry. So I'll go with this one for a nice right side shot. And then I also have this photo of the left side of the same sea dragon. And I know for sure it's the same dragon because I noted that during and after my dive. An encounter report means one individual sea dragon from one dive, so I can submit these two photos together because I know that it's the same fish from the same dive. And it's great when we can get both a left and a right side shot of the same sea dragon, but only if we're sure that it's the same individual. So these two photos exemplify some of the main things that we look for in a good photo, but keep in mind that we are not looking for perfect photos. So for example, if this photo was the best I had, I would submit this. I just happen to have a slightly better one. But a generally clear shot that includes the dragon's face is all that we need, and we never want to stress sea dragons by pursuing them trying to get the perfect photo. More on that can actually be found in our code of conduct for diving with sea dragons, which is located on our website and which we encourage all of our participants to read. So you can find that here under Participate and Code of Conduct. And if you want to learn more about how to report an encounter once you've selected your photos, we have another video for you on our website located on our Learn page, which is here. And please also reach out anytime with questions via email. You can contact us at admin@SeadragonSearch.org, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. And thank you so much for your interest in Sea Dragon research and supporting our work.